So let's move now to show button. So here we need, once we click on an employee, so we need to display employee details. So I have added 2 other employees. So try to add many employees just to check or to test for the view. So here let's add another file. So show.blade.php. So here we need to extend the layouts dot up, and let's add also another one for section content and section. Let's add also a title. So let's copy from here and paste here and change this one to title. So let's add so here for the title, let's make it so we can add here employee CV, and let's add also we need to add or we need to get employee first name and also the last name. So let's copy from here and paste here. So we need the last name. So here employee and here employee, so first name, last name. So next let's move to the content. So here for the content, so we can add another div with the flex or the flex and justify content to between and align items to center. And here we have each tree with the margin top and the bottom of tree, and here we need or we add same thing. So let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So if we move, let's view this employee. So here, so the title is employee CV and we have name. Okay, so we have the same thing here. So let's move to the next. So next we have so let's add the HR here, and let's add another div with row and margin top and bottom of 2, and another div with col MD12, and another div with a card, and another div with a card body. And let's add also, we need a table, or we can get it from, or let's use table, okay. And let's give this table, let's give it width of 100, and we need another tr with tds. So here, let's add another td here. So we'll do so the display will be a little bit different from what we have done before. So we'll add another table inside this td here. So let's align everything to the center. So here we need to add align center, so to this td here. And as I said, here we have another table. So let's give it a width of 600, and let's add also, so here we need cell padding, so it will be 10, and we need also to add so cell padding, and we need so here padding. We need also style. So the style will, so you will add text line to left, and that's all. Okay, so we need another tr here, and tr will have td and td. So inside we will display the employee image. So let's bring it from here and reuse it here. So for the pseudo width, let's give it 100, and also here 150, and let's remove the, so keep only the rounded. So let's refresh the page and see. So here is our image, but I think a little bit it's, so let's keep img fluid and remove the weight and height. So I think, oh, so now it's bigger than, okay, so let's do something. Let's make it 200 and 200 and remove the img fluid. Refresh the page. So I think now it's better. So let's move to the next. So the next, so we need the first name and last name. So we need another td. So let's copy from here and paste here. Remove the image, and as I said, let's give this one a call span of 2. And we need also to, let's add a line here and align everything to the center. So we need center. So what else we need? So as I said, let's go back to the index. So we need first and first name and last name. So copy from here and paste here. So save. Let's refresh the page. So as you can see, we have here the flying race, which is the name. But I think we need to do something. So we need to add, let's add each one. So the name will be a little bit bigger. So as you can see now, it's better. So what is next? So next we need to add another. So we need another tr. So let's add another tr here. And we need to display. So let's do something like we have done here. Close this td, and we need this. We need to add here call span. Let's remove align to the center and here. So let's add the personal information. So save. Let's take a look and see what we have here. So we have here personal information, but I think let's add also here h2. So to be bigger. So let's refresh the page. And we have now personal information. So next, what we need to do, we need another tr with td, but here we don't need call span, and here we need strong. So let's make it strong, and we need let's add here email. And the email, so we can use now the employee to get the email. So let's use, so here we need another, so here let's add, so this one is the first td. Let's add another one, and this one will display the email. So save. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, we have the email, so we need to do now the same thing for the other fields. So now we need to do the same thing for the other fields. So let's copy and paste. So we have email, we have phone. So here phone. And what else we have? We have the address. So copy and paste. And here address and here address. And we need other fields, the same thing. So we have the dates of birth. So here the same thing, date of birth. And we need to do the same thing. So let's copy from where is the personal. So we need to add the same thing here again. And make it company information instead. So save, let's refresh the page. So you have email, phone, address, date of birth, company information. And now we can display the higher date. So let's copy from here and paste here. So I think I did not copy. So paste. So it's not working. Why? So now we have. So let's copy again. So I think I copied the wrong tr. So paste. Now we are done. So let's change it to higher date and here higher date. So what else we need? We need salary. So let's change it here to salary and salary. And we need the department. Okay, so let's paste here, change it to department, and here we can use the relationship. So department and name. And we need same thing for the position. Position and change it to position. And the position here has the title, not the name. And what else we need? We need status. So let's paste here. So here's status. And here we need the status. Status. And finally, we need the link so we can download the CV as PDF. So let's add just an empty TD. And here we have the link. So let's bring the link. We can use the same thing like we have done here. So let's copy and paste and here. So we will add the route, so we don't have the routes. So we'll add it later, and let's add better and dark. So let's remove the SM, use better and dark, and here let's change it to download. And let's add also here download as PDF and save. So let's refresh the page. So here we have the company information, the hire dates, salary, the department, the position, and status. So the status here is 1. So let's do something. So we don't need to display the status is 1. So here let's check if it is. So if the status is 1, so we will display active. If not, we will display inactive. So save. Let's refresh the page and see. So here we have active, and now we can download as a PDF. Okay. So here we have tr. So what is wrong here? So let's check. Where is it? So I think I have copied something wrong. So let's go down. So here is this TR that is repeated many times. So here and here. Okay, so just I have missing. So let's add it here and here and here. So save. Let's refresh again. So now we have fixed this problem. Let's see another employee. For example, this one that is inactive. So we have name, email, address, date of birth, hire date, salary, department, position, status, and we can download. Okay. So now we are done with employees. So we need to move to the attendances and the holidays. And later we will download the CVs as PDF. Okay.